Hey everyone, welcome back. And today we'll be doing another Leetcode problem. This is to add two numbers. This one is a medium one. You are given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order and each of their nodes contains a single digit. Add the two numbers and return the sum as a linked list. You may assume the two numbers do not contain any leading zero except the number 0 itself. So 0 can be present, they are trying to say. So if we have two linked lists like this, 2, 4, 3 and 5, 6, 4, and they said they are in reverse order. So if we are going to have a carry here, then it is not going to be in going on this side. It will be going on the right side. If we are going to add them, so first of all, we are going to add them. 2 plus 5 is going to become 7. In the new node, new linked list node, 4 plus 6 is going to return 10. So we'll be taking 0 here and passing 1 to the next, you can say, node. And here we have one carry, 3, 4 will give us 4. And so we'll be returning the new list, which is 7, 0, 8. So that's it. So what we'll be doing is just making a dummy node, list, list node, which is just nothing, a dummy node, and a current node which will be pointing to this dummy node, which is just the head of the new linked list. And the carry, we have to make a carry, so it is equal to 0 by default. So while L1 or L2 or carry, if some of them is still, if carry is equal to 1, L2 is still there, it is not none, and if L1 is still there, it is not none. So what we'll be doing is just taking the value. So L1 dot val, if obviously L1 is valid, else it will be 0. So for value 2, will be the value of the second from the second linked list, which will the value L2 dot val. If L2 exists, else it will be 0. So now we want to add that values in our, you can say, a total sum. So V1 plus V2 plus the carry. So and the first iteration the carry is going to be 0, and after that we are going to see how we are going to move our carry to the next node. So now for the carry, we will just divide our value by 10. So if it is 17, then obviously it is going to we are going to have 1 as a carry. So that is just pretty self-explanatory. And now we will just divide our value by mod our value by 10, which will give us the you can say the digit at the very last. So it is 7. If it is 17, then obviously we are not going to append 17 in our new list. We are going to only take 7, so we'll be taking 7 and 1 will be our carry. So now we have our value. What we can do in the current dot next, so obviously this current is the head and it is the dummy node. So in the next node we are going to append this value, so it will be like node value, and after that we are going to increment our current. So current is equal to current dot next, and after that we have to increment our L1 and L2. So L1 is equal to L1 dot next. If L1 is not you can say none, in the else case it will be none, we'll be passing none from it, and L2 is equal to L2 dot next. If L2 exists, else it will be none. So that's it. After doing all of this, we can just return the head dot next, because this head was just a dummy pointer. This will have a value of 0, And in the next of it, obviously we are current dot next will be holding this one, so it will be having value in the current dot next node. So we'll be returning head dot next. So that's it. Invalid syntax. Yes, is not is if. Okay, so that's it.